Good evening everyone. My name is Nitin and today we are going to cover some more topics of number system. So the first topic of today's class is represent under root 9.3 on number line. Not on number line. Represent under root 3 is our question. So how we are going to do so, and we have to also write the construction of this question. So here I am going to write down the construction of this. So firstly, see what number is given inside this under root. Just like here 9.3 is given to us. So what you are going to do, make a line of 9.3 centimeter here and name it as AB. So the first step of construction will be make a line segment of 9.3 and name it as AB. This is the first step of construction. Any doubt? Now moving on to the second step of construction, that is what you are going to do. From this point P, take 1 centimeter line segment and name it as PC. So our second point of construction is going to be extend the line segment AB from B side to point C of 1 centimeter. That you are extending this AB line 1 centimeter from B and name it as BC. Any doubt? This is the construction second point. Now, what is the third point of this construction? You are going to find the midpoint of AC. How we are going to do so? Take a compass. Let us assume my hand is compass here and you have to, my hand is compass here. This part, the hand part, is a part of is the part of pencil part of compass, and this is going to be a pin part of compass. Let me show you. Just like this is compass, this pinpoint part is my elbow and this pencil holder is my hand. So you are going to point this pin part on C and make a mark here and one mark down here. Now you are going to do same with point A. Mark one point here and one here and join these 2 points with dotted line. So you will see that you will cut the AC line at some point and you are going to name this as O. But you are going to name it as O. You are going to name this as O. So what is construction here? I am going to write the step 3 of construction here. That is, find the midpoint of AC and name it as O. Any doubt? Now moving on to the step 4. Here the O is the midpoint of AC. Now take this midpoint and take the pinpoint of compass and put it here. If this is the pinpoint of compass and this is your pencil part, you are going to tip this pencil part on A and make a semicircle up to C such that it will look like this. A semicircle. Here you have to put, always remember, if you are starting from here, A, your semicircle will going to be end on C. Any doubt? Now write this fourth step, that draw a semicircle from A to C having O as center. Any doubt? Now moving on to the fifth part. What we are going to do? Here look at this B. Take a D and make a 90-degree angle into this. And our fifth part will be, what it is going to be? Draw a line perpendicular to point P, point B up to the semicircle, and name this point here as D. Now sixth part, B D is equal to under root 9.3 is the answer. Any doubt? Please take the screenshot of this. Now let us move forward and solve some of the questions in this chapter that are of exponent type. That is, the first question of that topic is solve 64 raised to power 1 by 2. How we are going to solve this? Firstly, this is our base and this is power, and the power is in fraction here. So how we are going to solve this? Just do the prime factorization of the base, that is 64. 64 2, 32, 32 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. Now look at the denominator of the power, that is 2. Since the 2 is written in the denominator of the power, so you are going to pair two numbers, two numbers, two numbers and two numbers, and write the circle part, that is 2 number as 1, 1 2, 2 2, and the third 2. You will get the answer 2 into 2, that is 4 into 2 is equal to 8, or you can also write it as 2 raised to power 3. You can write either of this answer. Any doubt? Now moving forward, what if someone has given you 1 to 5 raised to power 1 upon 3? How you are going to solve this? Now what we are going to do, take the base number, that is 125. Now prime factorize this number, that is 5, 1, 5, 25 is 125, 5, 5 is 25, and then 5, 1. Now look at the power here. The power here is 1 upon 3 and the denominator of the power is 3. So you are going to pair 3 number as 1 and write it as 5. So the answer of this number is 5. Any doubt? Now let us solve two more examples of this. What if the question given to us is that 32 raised to power 1 by 5? How we are going to solve this? firstly take this the number that is present in the base, that is 32. Now write 2 16s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s, and 2 1s. Now see the power of this, that is 1 upon 5, and in denominator we see the power 5, number 5. So we are going to pair 5 numbers in this, that is 1 2 3 4 5, and write it as one number. So we are going to write it as 2. So the answer of this question is 2. Any doubt? Moving forward, we are going to solve some more example of this, but these examples are going to be hard. That is, what if we have given 9 raised to power 2 or 3 upon 2. Let us say 9 raised to power 3 upon 2. Now look here. Take the base number again, that is 9, and prime factorize. 3 you will get 3, 3 you will get 1. So we have 3 into 3, that is 9. Now look at this power, that is given in 3 divided by 2. Take the denominator of this, that is 2. So we are going to pair 2 3 into 1, and you will get the answer as 3. Now since the denominator part of this question is done, now look at numerator. You have numerator as power 3. So write power 3 here. And solve this further, that is 3 raised to power 3 means 3 times 3. After solving this, you will get 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. So the answer of this question is going to be 27. Solving another example of this type question, it will be 16 raised to power 3 upon 4. Let us solve this. Firstly, take 16, prime factorize this, you will get 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2 and 1. You have 4 in the denominator. So you are going to make the pair of 4 numbers. You will get the pair of 4 numbers. So the answer will be 2. In numerator, the power is 3. So you will write 3 here. 2 raised to power 3, it means 2 is going to be written 3 times and being multiplied. So 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So the answer of this question is 8. Any doubt? Now let us solve some more example of this type of question. What if the question given to us is 32 raised to power 2 upon 5? How we are going to solve this? So firstly, prime factorize the number 32. 2s are 16, 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 4, 2s are 2 and 2s are 1. So write this number. Pair, since in denominator we have the number 5. So we are going to pair 5 numbers together. After pairing it, you will going to write this whole as one number. So the answer will be 2. In numerator, write this number as its power. So 2 power 2 is 2 into 2. That the answer of this question is 4. Now let us solve another example based on this. That is 125 raised to power 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3. So take this number as 125. Prime factorize this. That is 5s are 25, 5s are 5 and 5s are 1. Here in denominator you have 3 as power. So you are going to pair 3 numbers and write it as one number. So our answer will be 5 raised to power minus 1. Here we are going to apply a property of exponent, that is a raised to power minus n is equal to 1 upon a raised to power n. So we can write it as 1 upon 5 raised to power 1. Since power 1 is being not written in the answer, So the answer of this question will be 1 upon 5. Based on this, I am going to give you some homework. Please note it. Find the value of 64 5 upon 4. Okay, not 5 upon 4, say 5 upon 3. Second, 128 minus 3 upon 4. Third, 625 4 2, let us say 3 upon 4. And fourth is 729 3 upon minus 2 upon 3. These are your homework. Now moving forward, we are going to solve some more examples of exponent type question. That is, what is the answer of first 2 raised to power 2 by 3 multiply by 2 raised to power 1 upon 5. Here you can see that base of both the numbers is same. So we are going to apply the property here, that is bases are same, powers are added. So the base is going to be 2 and power 2 by 3 and 1 by 5 are being summed up. Write the property at the right hand side of your notebook, that is a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Here the answer will be write to as it is and solve this by LCM. Your LCM will be 15, 2 into 5 plus 3 into 1. 2, 15, 2 5s are 10 plus 3. So answer of this question will be 2 raised to power 13 upon 15. Any doubt? Moving into the second question. That is, simplify 1 upon 3 power 3 whole raised to power 7. How we are going to solve this? Since we have a property a upon b raised to power m, you are going to give this power to both a and b, that is a power m divided by b power m. So the answer will be 1 raised to power 7 divided by 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 7. 1 raised to power anything is 1, and here we are going to apply a property, that is a raised to power m raised to power m raised to power n. Anything raised to power m and m raised to power n, you are going to multiply these powers. So that is 3 multiplied by 7. You will get 1 upon 3 raised to power 21 as your answer. Any doubt? Now moving forward, what if question given to us is that 11 raised to power 1 by 4 divided by 11 raised to power 1 by 11 raised to power 1 by 2 divided by 11 raised to power 1 by 4. Since we know that we have a property for it, that is a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, that is bases are same and then powers are being subtracted in division. In multiply, the powers are being added, and in divide, the powers are being subtracted. So here you will get 11 raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Write 11 as it is and solve this power, that is the LCM will be 4. You will get 2 into 1 minus 1 into 1. that is 11 raised to power 2 minus 1 by 4. So the answer of this question will be 11 1 by 4. Any doubt? Now moving forward, we are going to solve one more question of it. That is, what if the question given to us is 7 raised to power 1 by 2 into 8 raised to power 1 by 2. What's its answer going to be? Here we see that the power of both the numbers is same, but the basis of both the numbers are different. So we are going to use a property here, that is a raised to power m into a raised to power n, and not a, p raised to power n, because bases are different. So it will be a multiplied by b raised to power m, and the powers of both the numbers are same. So here you are going to multiply 7 into 8 and its power will be 1 by 2. So our answer will be 56 raised to power 1 by 2. Any doubt? So that's the end of today's class, and our chapter also ends here. And we are going to start some new chapter in our upcoming video. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.